Hello, come say. Good, what are you doing?
The car coming.
Okay.
I'm a bit sleepy.
Oh wow, this is shit road. Oh, fuck. Bloody hell, what a joke. What shit road, my God. Forget it. Oh, have a look at it. Oh. Diesel. Check out those formations. Here comes someone. Hello. This is the worst downhill I've ever done. What crap. You're not. Just check out the scenery. Beautiful. Unreal. What's he doing here? Let's go ahead. Look off the cadence of this thing. Hello. Got a good shot of that guy. You don't want to be going over there. Oh, there's some more coming up. They're starting to come up now. Whilst we're going now. That's alright. I love this. This is groovy. I'm liking this curve. Not much point trying to get any speed up here because it'd be fatal. Here they come. Oops, we're gonna go back that way. Scusa. Grazie. He wants us to wait here. Ooh. Hello. La Fausto copy. I wonder what that's about. Marmora. That's where we're going to swap helmets, I think. We've really... Luckily they were there to tell us to turn. Otherwise it would have been in real trouble. I've had to take Rudy's water bottle because when I threw the water bottle into the van, it hit Giorgio and it bounced out the window and it was lost. I don't fucking don't believe it. Parli inglese? Speak English?
No, a little.
German?
German.
Deutsch? Tedesco? No. Ok, andiamo da qui, Giorgio.
Oh, schlechte Straße.
Ok, auf Wiedersehen. Va bene, it's good.
10-15 kilometers.
Better
15 kilometers.
Better than
Yeah.
25.
Yeah.
Ciao.
That's good. Cheers.
Ciao. That's it, that'll do me for now. Yeah, because 28 riders are coming up here. There's a whole lot of them. Hello. You gotta have your head ready to ride a mountain bike up here. He says there's 10-15 k's of downhill and it's really twisty and turny, but forget it, it's just as bumpy as all hell. Gotta be the worst downhill you could ever want. Bloody hell, look at it down there, man. If this was a good ride. What a shit of a ride to come up even, let alone go down. Bloody hell. Oh, I've changed my mind. I have to go a little bit more forward, then I'll stop. Then got to clean my brakes and the brake surface on the rim. This is the cold air, biting cold, and this is summer, eh? Frank! I just thought of you, Frank.
You need a bike with suspension here.
Not quite Gamaraka, is it, Frank? Good, check it out. Keep going, I'll catch you. Yeah. Look at that. Ah, effing unreal. This is so good. Thank you, Giorgio. Grazie, Giorgio. Grazie mille. Thank you so much for getting us here. See a car in front now, you'd shit yourself, wouldn't you? Oh, keep a firm grip on those brake levers. That's for sure. What a magic day, huh? I hear some more people. Hello. It's a pity because it would have been a ripper of a downhill if we'd had, you know, a better surface.
Fucking, but even so, that just, at least this holds you back.
Yeah, look at.
Try and do this thing quick.
Ugh. And again, big cracks. I'm glad I put the seat down a bit because I can feel it better. Look out, big hole! Sorry about the yelling, but I got to tell Rudy. I'll try and signal to him. Exactly. It is a goat's track. Good, I've got an idea. If we can find a sports shop or something, I'll buy two water bottles.
From now?
Yeah, like for our ride. So I'm going to buy two, and I'll give you one. It's my fault that I threw the bloody bottle. I didn't expect to go flying out the door. Isn't that incredible? I threw it in the van, and it went out the other side.
It might have hit something and bounced off.
That's what he said. What do you reckon, Frank? Ah, it's all good stuff, Frank. Better than Gamaraka, mate. Sorry. What?
You gotta set him up.
What?
Just make the brake in front of him around one of the bends.
I can't hear anything he's saying. I can't hear you. The Italian flag. Ah, maybe it gets better now. Who knows? Yeah. What?
I said we should have faked the crash
Oh.
around one of the bends up there.
No, we'll do it later. We'll do it.
Now where?
I think we've got to keep going.
You sure?
Yeah. Signore, se va avanti per Marmora. Ok. Grazie.
Grazie.
Ci vediamo. Don't worry about it. We'll go to a shop.
This is better. If it was all like this, would be alright.
Cool.
Make sure you chew this ship into pulp.
I'm not from. Can you stop sitting on the left all the time? Look out! Look out! Nah, forget it. I'm back right off. There are just so many sudden big holes in the ground that would just throw you right off the bike. Just can't see anything. Dirt road. Yeah, Strada Bianca, that's all right. Good. It's just not worth letting it opening it up, because you come around the corner and there's a pothole there.
No, you can't.
And man, that'd be the end of you.
Of course it is.
Look at this stuff. What a disappointment. Jesus, what a view. Oh. Yeah, okay. I'm going to stop. Grazie, thank you. Thank you. With Giorgio?
Yeah.
I don't know, watch the rocks.
Not enough room.
Jesus. Hey, cool, we missed the bloody view through the valley. Oh well.
Why are they coming up a mountain bike?
Yeah. Look out.
Surely because they don't make some of these passes one way.
Oh, look at this. Look at this. Far out.
At least you're getting your cyclocross action in.
Mate, there must have been 20-something% back there.
Filming this.
Yeah. Of course I'm filming it. Oh, nice mountain stream, beautiful flowers. What the hell's this? I assume that this is the right road we're supposed to be on. Oh, far out. Look at this. This makes the corkscrew look stupid. Bring it under control. Oh, for some smooth ride, for Christ's sakes. I reckon it'd be harder riding up this way. Good. Oh, shit. That was really close, almost lost it. Oh, far out. With the shadowing, I just couldn't see anything, so I hope for the best. Oh, this is the pits. Really got to be careful. This is no joke. Man, that was close to coming off back there. You just can't see what's in front of you with the darkness. The heavy shadowing, we just can't tell. And with these thin wheels at this kind of tyre pressure, oh man, this has got to be 20-something%. Absolutely, look at it. We're sitting right back on the seat, trying to hold it down, keep that under control. Yeah. Oof. So do I, because I'm not riding up here again. Well, this is the road that the guy said we have to take, straight on.
I didn't notice any other road, did you?
No, and Georgia was coming down this way, sort of. I gotta have Pisharis, man. Oh man, I'm hanging out for a cappuccino. Oh, what's all this stuff? This is going to be murder on the legs, all the lactic acid pulling up. We're not pedaling.
My fucking neck's hurting now. My shoulders are starting to ache a bit.
My hands are hurting. I don't know, I can't tell. Oh. Keep to the right. You can smell the pine trees. What? Huh?
Got a punch, impact puncher.
I thought I heard that.